Okay, hi everyone. I'm Dari. I'm at the Verulam car show. It's one of the first international shows that are being hosted in Verulam. I'll be emceeing for a bit. It's actually my debut, so I'm hoping to make it rock here a bit. And yeah, definitely subscribe to my channel. Give me a good amount of thumbs up. You can hear the cars making a lot of noise on the inside, and I'm hoping to make some noise as well. Again, I'm here with the 2-meter trophy. You can have a look. Quite big. This goes out to the accumulated dB winners. So we have a team of plus minus 10 guys, and 4 of their decibels put together becomes the winner. So we're hoping that the guys crack the 1000 dB mark, or even go to 1,500 dBs. We've got tons of trophies for everyone else as well. There's also a single winner there with a trophy that's just above a meter. So we're hoping for a lot of winners today, and the guys, I'm hoping the guys have a lot of fun. You can see it's amped up here. The crowd is looking amped up. Everyone's excited. Yeah, so let's do some boomboxing. Everyone, my name is Dari. I'll be your MC for today. From 5 to 8, we at the Charity Car Challenge in Verulam. This is one of the first for the international competitions in Verulam. We're hoping to see guys with a lot of pumping sound and guys making a lot of noise on that side for the dyno. So lots of kilowatts on that end, lots of decibels here. What's the name of your company? DNA Performance. Excellent, guys. I mean, he's making mad power. He should almost be in a movie 300. This is a crazy beast here. Well done, my man. Well done. You're going to be taking off anytime soon. With some massive fans here. So your name? Your name, sir? Bradley. So tell us your thoughts about the day. I know we're doing something here for a good cause, and it's what we love as well. Sound and speed. So yeah, what are your thoughts about the day?
Sound is life.
Sound is life. There you get it. Your side, sir?
It's a good, well-rounded event. It's nice and and I think that more shows like this will be much better.
Excellent. We heard it here from the crowd. The showers of blessing are coming through here. So we're hoping it doesn't last too long, and it's just a minute or two. But yeah, we'll continue to have fun. I don't think anything's going to stop these guys. They're here on a mission. There we go. No, never. We're on a mission. We're going to pump it up. We're going to make some power as well. Yeah, starting to pass down. We got a nice AMG, some nice room. We got some midnight power here as well. I'm here with the owner. He's going to give us a few words. Maybe tell us what power he's looking at. And if let's go, he can tell us what's under the hood. Maybe give us some secrets. Sorry, so you are? Captain. Perfect. Yeah, everyone, in the living flesh, Captain for this C63 massive piece. Captain, can you tell us what you're looking for in terms of the new what's that you're going to be pushing out today?
Well, it all depends on how you're going to run in the dyno. So I'm not really expecting the high kilowatts, but it's running on a road. It's not about the kilowatts.
It's not about the kilowatts, spoken like a true good. Oh, and maybe it's not down here at lunchtime. Thank you, my man. Still here at the car show. Guys are really passionate. If you have a look over there, guys are basically holding down the gazebos to cover, but nothing's phasing anyone here. The guys are still amped up in here, but the guys are dying to be here. I don't think anything's going to stop them. If it's the kind of storm is not stopping them, the guys are excited. There's smiles on everyone's faces. I'm happy, they're happy. I think the show must go on. So everyone, this is the young adults helping improve people. These are part of the organizers. They do a lot of good work. We've got a Kira here. She's going to do a spin around for us and then tell us a little bit about this. The floor is yours.
Hi guys, we're the YAHIP. We're basically an organization that goes out and helps people with whatever they need really. So we assist the Verulam Child Welfare Society, we assist Phoenix Child Welfare, the Blind India Society, and basically any other organization that needs assistance with their events. We do also have our own events which we raise funds for charities as well. So if you guys would like to know more about us, hashtag YAHIP, hashtag the Charity Car Challenge, like and share our page on Facebook, and like us on Instagram.
Okay guys, I'm with one of the gentlemen here that's entered the show and shine. So your name is? Darisen. Darisen, nice to meet you. Here you've got a big 6 XLE, lovely stuff. Tell us a little bit about the car, how long you've had it, what have you done, what are your expectations for the day?
Firstly, I painted the car, repainted it with stripes like the Mustang, black stripe, put a new engine, 3.6 liter, did the interior in orange leather, and did the hood lining, did the whole suspension, back and front, the boot interior done up, and sound system, standard sound system, Sony, front speakers, back 6x9s, and that's it.
I love it. That's it. That's it. A whole long list, shopping list, and that's it. Well, you know, money is no option when you have a passion. But would you like to tell us how much it's landed you?
Now 60,000.
So it's coming down here, cats and dogs going crazy. I mean, there's a little bit of fanship here. Everyone's in the stadium, guys are still going strong there. Hopefully we can go through this one. Guys are fine. We've got a few of our winners here. These guys have really cleaned up more than this rain here today. Yeah, they need a big bag for all of these trophies here. We got Nono with us, and we've got Trevor as well. These guys are sporting a Chevy Apache and I think 2 box-shaped Corollas, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so I think we're going to start with Nono. Nono's going to give us a few words in terms of his box-shaped Corolla. What are his thoughts? What was he expecting coming in? Did he expect to clean up with so many trophies? And yeah, the floor is yours, Nono. Don't be shy. Tell us a bit about your baby, the Beast, your box-shaped Corolla. What model is it? What got you into this?
One's 1981 box-shaped Corolla. It's both 2 doors. One has a 2JZ in it. It's built more for racing, but then just because it was a charity event, brought the cars and came to show it to the guys and sponsored for charity.
So built for racing, yet you cleaned up in the show and shine. So how long did it take you to build this vehicle up?
A few of my uncle's friends from Johannesburg, they did the conversion and stuff. So they did most of the work, and then when the car was ready, they sent the car down.
So you just got away scot-free here. This was early Christmas here. Okay, perfect. And thank you so much for that day. I really enjoyed the cars. I think most of us are big fans of the box shapes, and you've got like one of the cleanest in the countries, and especially the 2 doors. Real gems. Let's move over to Trevor. Sorry, I'll grab a seat on this side. So Trevor, he's like a local Verulam hero when it comes to vehicles. I think guys young and old know him. They know him for his Chevys, his Corollas. I think I first met him when I was in high school. He had a very fast super boss with nitrous. He's got super bikes. I mean, I think he's our local Vin Diesel of some sort. But yeah, local hero, cleaned up as well. I think at one point we just wanted him to stay there on the presentation stand. That's how many trophies he was taking. So let's move over to Trevor. Trevor, maybe talk to us a little bit about that Chevy Apache of yours.
The Chevy Apache I bought, it was a project car, and I finished it up, and that's what it looks nice. It's got a 350 V8, a Chevy small block in it. It's got standard suspension. Most of the car is standard. The wood in the back is original. The seating is original. So most of the car is very original. It's a 1958 model, and what you see is what you saw back in 1958.
Yes, very original.
So not too much of chopping and changing. Most of it is standard, including the wheels, the rims, the suspension, the seats, except for the engine.
Nice. And do you drive it often? Do you drive it daily, or is it just parked in the garage on some cushions, on some silk covered and so on?
No, I use it all the time. Well, not every day because it's a collector, but it's an everyday car. You can drive it anywhere.
And controversial question, I think, from your entire fleet, is that your favorite?
It's my favorite.
Is it?
It's irreplaceable.
That's
I've
your
got
baby.
the Aston that came, the R8, but those are things you can buy.
Yes. So I'm here with the box-shaped Corolla, the two-door, as you guys can see. This is Trevor, the guy with the silver Corolla, and the Apache. This is one of his finer beasts, as you can see, in mint condition. Surprisingly that he built it for performance, but it took many awards in terms of the show and shine. A fantastic beast here, and yeah, we're hoping to see more examples of these in the future. Challenge, thanks for being with us. It's been a fantastic day and going into the early night. The rain has cleared up a bit. We've seen some fantastic cars, nice performance vehicles, vehicles with a lot of sound, very neat, very straight vehicles, and a lot of classics as well. I'm going to show you a little bit more about this in the future. I'll be test driving a few more vehicles. Just follow me on my YouTube channel. And yeah, I think today is a bit of a wrap. Catch me on my YouTube channel and give me lots of thumbs up on that, and make sure you follow me as well.